This is a Citizen A20 CNC single spindle Swiss screw machine. It was manufactured new in 2007. It is a machine that has a 20 millimeter diameter capacity. It has a main spindle with a maximum RPM of 8,000 RPM. At that main spindle also has full C-axis programming. It also has a sub-spindle with an 8,000 max RPM speed and full C-axis programming as well. This machine has 7 static turning tools on the main slide, which has both X and Y axis, and it has 3 live milling tools on that main slide with both X and Y axis as well. The machine is equipped with 4 static front-end working tools and 4 static back-end working tools. It also has an Edge Technologies model C-320 12-foot servo magazine bar feeder. This machine is for sale at machinesused.com.